Hi guys, this one's a tribute to Jag Betty. Pot Noodles. He reminded me. I haven't had a pot noodle in years. Used to keep them at work, just in case I needed a snack. I was looking at these in the pictures of them, and I was looking at that for ages, trying to work out what that frog was doing. That looks like a frog to me. Frog with 5 arms. Never mind. Okay, so I've boiled the kettle. What am I supposed to do? Peel back lid halfway, remove sachet, pour boiling water to fill line, recover pot and leave for 2 minutes. Okay. Is that halfway? Remove sachet. Fill to fill line. I'm sure it used to actually have a line on it that said fill line. It's there as far as I know, but I'm sure it used to have fill printed in there all those years ago. Oh, is that something free I can win inside? Okay, fill. Cover back over for 2 minutes. So what we're going to talk about for 2 minutes. Check the time, 12:57 at this moment. Well, it's sunny outside today. Let's swing the camera around. Look, sunshine. Let's go outside for 2 minutes. Nanny says it's too hot to sit out there and have our lunch today, so she's sitting inside. What time did I say it was? 12:57? I think I said 12:59, didn't I? Never mind. 2 minutes to waffle. It's nice and quiet at the moment. We do have a neighbour who's been playing loud music while they've been home. And somebody been working in the garden, that's fair enough. People are allowed to do that. Oh, I know something that's out there that we can have a look at. Let's just move the camera a little bit more. Loosen that off there, swing round about there. Come up to there. Anybody know what that is? I'll give you a clue. It's been there for several months, and it's not a way of keeping your beer cool outside. Can you see that? Yeah, it's got a little hole in it. Oh, camera's doing its own thing. It's on image stabilisation, so it's trying to stabilise on the last thing I looked at. Right, there we go. There's a hole in that can. Come on, camera, settle down. So, if you know what that is, put a note in the comments. If you don't know what it is, well, I've done videos on them in the past, and at some time or other I'll do a video on that one. I've got 2 more set out at a secret location, that have been there God knows how long. Over 6 months, I think. I've got to get somebody to go and collect them for me because I can't go and get them. Because they're in somebody's garden. I have to get them to collect them in and do what they need to do for them. And then we can finish the video project there. Anyway, that's our 2 minutes. In fact, it was a little bit more than 2 minutes. I hope I haven't overcooked it. Right. Now I've got to stir it. Stir in the sachet contents. So what did I do with the sachet? What did I do with it? Oh, there it is. Squeeze a little extra. Put it on one side. I do seem to remember slopping it around when I used to stir it up in the office, get it all over my table and my work. Ah, those were the days. Leave that in there. Leave it for another 2 minutes. Okay. To be honest, it's had loads of time already. But we'll see if we can give it another 2 minutes. What else can we talk about? Oh, let's go for a little walk. Okay. Look at my desk, that's a mess. That's a rubber band powered car, or at least part of it. There's another bit. Doing a video on that sometime or other. Paper plane. That's from one of those books that you rip a page out and fold it up. Yeah, not very exciting one, that. Another little project I'm doing. Over there is a Lego type car, radio controlled. It's not actually Lego, it's a clone. But System Skynet was on about making one hobby grade. Which, yeah, well, I'm going to have a go, but it's going to be too small. And then on the chair there, oh, banging the camera around, a whole load of wooden kits to do at some time or other. All prepared to sit in here and keep myself occupied while we're staying at home. Nanny's given up moaning at me at the moment for the state of the table. General idea is it's more or less boxed up, so I can clear up if anybody calls. But that ain't going to happen, so it don't matter. Right, that's got to have been at least 2 more minutes. Because it's going to be too hot to actually eat. You see? Potnoodle.com. Can I actually eat any of this without getting it on my nice logo t-shirt? Which is also about 5 years old. Can you see that? That's been through the wash a few times. Probably will be again when I've had some of this. Well, tastes a bit noodly. Doesn't taste very curry flavoured, to be honest. Well, yeah, okay, that's today's lunch, snack. I just remembered, this is for Doc Inc. He does a lot of cookery videos, and I keep saying I can eat anything if I can put it in bread and butter. So here we have a pot noodle sandwich. Actually, I'm lying. There's quite a few things I won't eat, even if they are in bread and butter. But generally speaking, lovely. Thanks for watching. You'll find more information down in the video description. You might like to watch that video up there, and you might like to subscribe over there.